All right, guys, you seen that title in the thumbnail, and we're gonna take your favorite sandwich and we're gonna make a cobbler out of it. I'm gonna show you how to make a Philly cheesesteak cheddar bay cobbler. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, we're gonna quickly go over the ingredients. Although these ingredients can be found on my website, ijustcookalot.com or allwingseverything.com. Pick your choice. You can find this recipe. Over here we have our cheddar bay biscuit mix here. Right here we have the seasoned packet that comes with it, so make sure you keep that. We have some sliced deli roast beef here, some cheddar cheese soup. These two dishes we have milk, we have some red onions, chopped garlic, some steak seasoning, and right here we're using some steak seasoning, and I'm gonna use my preferred steak seasoning. I'm gonna use my guy smoking and grilling steak and burger rub seasoning. Guys, check it out. So I'm gonna put a link to his website so you can go over there and check out this seasoning. I'm telling you, this is some good stuff, man. I done used it on steak as well. Fire, all right? So right here we have our melted butter. In these two dishes, we have our cheddar cheese, and we have some red and green bell peppers here. That's all you're gonna need. Let's get into it. All right, to get started, we're gonna take our roast beef, and what I did was I chopped it up into fine pieces like this, but you wanna make sure that it's sliced thinly. We're gonna add this to our pan. And we're just gonna get this cooked over medium-high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so after that 2 minutes, we're gonna go in with our peppers, the green ones first, our red peppers, and our onions. So now we're gonna start getting this mixed in, and we're gonna let this cook until the veggies are softened. This could take several minutes, maybe about 4 to 5 minutes, maybe less. All right, so after those several minutes, we're gonna go in with our chopped garlic and some of that smoking and grilling steak and burger rub here. That's gonna put some flavor in this thing right here. We're gonna get this mixed in for the next 2 to 3 minutes. You know what? I love my boy AB so much. I gotta put some more of this stuff in here. That ain't seem like it was gonna be enough. All right, gotta get that flavor out of there. So we're gonna let this cook for the next 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so after that 3 to 4 minutes, we're gonna turn our heat down to low. We're gonna go in now with our cheese soup mix. I already know what people are gonna say. Oh man, that's a lot of sodium, blah, blah, blah. Listen guys, you don't have to make it if it's too much sodium for you. This is what we're using to make it. I understand what's in the ingredients, but I'm still choosing to make it, all right? And people think you're eating this whole can of cheese soup. You're not, you're just eating a portion of it. So all that sodium is not gonna be going into your system unless you eat the whole pot. And most people ain't gonna eat the whole pan. And right here, we're gonna go in with our milk. And we're gonna get this baby mixed in. You know, people don't say the same thing when it comes to pizza. Like people order a whole pizza with, you know, all the toppings, but nobody looks at the pizza and say, oh man, that's so many calories, because everybody know you're not gonna eat the whole pizza. You're just gonna eat 1 or 2 slices. Unless you some of you greedy now. I know some people eat a whole pizza, I can't. So anyway, that's my rant for the day. All right, so now once we get this all mixed in, we're gonna go in with our shredded cheddar cheese. And we're gonna turn our heat off at this point. We're gonna stir it, and we're just gonna get this stirred in and mixed in, and eventually it's gonna melt. So you don't have to stir it till it melts. You just stir it till you get it combined, and then it'll melt on its own, because what we're gonna do now is we're going to start preparing our cheddar bay biscuit mix. And once we do that, that's when we're going to put it all in a baking dish, and we're gonna bake it so at some point that cheese is gonna melt anyway. So you don't have to stir it until it melts. So now we're gonna remove this right here. We're gonna pull out a baking dish, just like that. We're gonna spray our baking dish with a little cooking spray. I know people don't like cooking spray. Hey, grease it with some olive oil or butter, guys. It's all preference. We're gonna take our roast beef mixture, and we're going to pour it here in our baking dish like this. All right, and we're just gonna get this smoothed out evenly like this. Baby, already looking good, folks. It's already looking good. All right, so now we're gonna just set this aside right here. Ring over all. All right, so now we're gonna take our remaining of our cheese, gonna add here this to our biscuit mix like this. And we're just gonna get this mixed in like this. I may need a bigger bowl, but let's see if I can get away with this without having to change out the bowls. Just gotta be a little careful. That's all with it, just mixing it. And we're gonna go in next with our milk. There we go. All right, let's go on with the remainder of our milk. All right, so once you have that well combined, again, this is going to look a little watery because once we pour this over our cheesesteak mixture, it's gonna seep in between. It's all gonna cook together, and that's what you want. You don't just want it to be cooked here on top. You want to have that nice firm crust on the sides, inside, and around it, all right? So let's go ahead and get this on our mixture and make sure you pour it in evenly. Giving you that nice brown color on top. This is what we're looking for right here. Now, I've already preheated my oven to 355 degrees. We're gonna stick that baby in there for 50 to 55 minutes, allowing it to, of course, cook and brown all around the sides, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and get this in the oven, set our timer, and we're gonna be good to go. Okay, so about 5 minutes before our cobbler is done, we're gonna prepare our buttery topping. So all we're gonna do is take our melted butter and that packet that comes with your cheddar bay biscuit mix. You're just gonna add it to your melted butter, just like that. That baby's gonna dissolve in there. Just give it a quick mix like this. All right, so just like that, we're gonna set it aside because our cobbler is almost done. Guys, take a look at that right there. Man, look at that brown top that we're looking for like that. Oh man, that's looking good. So now, what we're gonna do is gonna take our melted butter and that topping, just gonna brush it, or you can pour it over the top, it's totally up to you. All right, and we're gonna let this rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, let everything settle. As you can see, that baby's still bubbling, man. We definitely not gonna put this in our mouth right now and do quality control. All our insides will be burnt up. So let's let this rest for about 5 to 10 minutes and we're gonna come back. All right, so we allowed that baby to rest for 10 minutes and allow that biscuit to soak up that butter, because that's what we're looking for. Now we're finna get this baby plated up. Let's see what we got here. Oh man, look at that. Ooh. All right, so now we about to go in for the kill. That baby's still hot too. Oh man, this is heaven in a coffin, bro. Oh man. Let me try it one more time. That's what I'm talking about right there. I can't even put it down. Wow, there's a lot of cobbler, and I'm about to take advantage of it. Add this one to your list. And until then, guys, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.